Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode complicated corporate speak and 10K filings for you. Today we're diving into Nu Skin Enterprises' latest report, and let's just say their recent financial picture might look a bit like a surprise party that wasn't quite ready. Alright, so what are we looking at here with Nu Skin Enterprises Incorporated? This is a current report they filed, meaning it is about something important that just happened, and the date it is all about is the 12th of February 2026. The main event in this filing is about their financial results. They've announced how they did in the last 3 months and the full year up to the 31st of December 2025. Think of it like a report card for their business. So, what is the big news from their financial report? It seems like Nu Skin Enterprises has put out a press release detailing their performance for the period ending late last year. While the filing itself doesn't give us the specific numbers from that press release, it tells us that the announcement happened on the 12th of February 2026. This is a standard move where companies share important financial updates with investors. It is like them saying, here is how we're doing, folks. And in this case, the details are attached for us to review. Now, the filing itself points us to Exhibit 99.1. This is basically the actual press release where all the juicy financial figures are hiding. They've attached it for everyone to see. So while this report is the official filing, the real story is in that attached document. If you want to know the exact numbers, you'd need to check out that specific exhibit. What is interesting about Nu Skin Enterprises Incorporated is that they are a publicly traded company. This means their stock, specifically their class of common stock, is traded on a major stock exchange. You can find their stock symbol, New York Stock Exchange. So when they report their financial results, it directly impacts how investors feel about buying or selling their stock. And who is signing off on this important report? It is James D. Thomas, the Chief Financial Officer. He is essentially confirming that all the information provided is accurate to the best of his knowledge. It is his official stamp of approval on behalf of the company. The date of this sign-off is the 12th of February 2026. Which matches the date of the press release about their financial results. Now let's dive into what these numbers actually mean for Nu Skin. While this specific 8K filing doesn't contain the detailed financial tables themselves, it references a press release that does. Typically, these earnings releases would highlight key figures like revenue, profit, and earnings. Purse hair, we'd be looking for how these numbers compare to the same period last year, and what that tells us about the company's growth or decline. For instance, if their revenue saw a significant drop, we'd want to understand if that is due to lower sales, increased competition, or a changing market. Conversely, if profits are up, we'd want to see if that is from smart cost management or simply selling more products. The attached press release is where you'd find the specifics to gauge the health of the business and predict its future trajectory. This is the part that really matters to investors trying to decide if Nu Skin is a good bet. We'd be analyzing trends like their sales growth, their profit margins, and how they're managing their expenses. Are they investing in new products or cutting back? Is their customer base growing or shrinking? These are the kinds of questions we'd try to answer by digging into the financial figures when they're available. Looking at Nu Skin Enterprises Incorporated more broadly, they operate in the direct selling or multi-level marketing space, often focusing on beauty and wellness products. This industry can be quite competitive and often faces scrutiny regarding its business model. Companies in this sector need to constantly innovate and maintain strong distributor networks to succeed. Understanding their recent financial performance is crucial to see if they are navigating these challenges effectively. Any significant changes in their revenue or profitability would indicate how well they are adapting to market demands and competitive pressures. It is about seeing if their strategies are paying off or if they're falling behind. So, what is my take from this particular filing? Well, this 8K is more of a notification. It tells us that Nu Skin Enterprises Incorporated has released important financial information. The key takeaway is that they've put out their quarterly and annual results for the period ending the 31st of December 2025. The real analysis comes from digging into the press release they've attached. Without those specific numbers, it is hard to give a definitive read on their performance. However, the fact that they are reporting these results publicly means investors are paying close attention. Are they showing growth and healthy profits, or are they facing challenges? That is the story we're waiting to uncover from that attached press release. We'll need to see if their sales are up or down, if their costs are under control, and ultimately, if they are making more money than they are spending. These are the fundamentals that drive any company's stock and its long-term success. Alright, that is our initial look at the Nu Skin Enterprises Incorporated filing. What do you think about these types of reports and what they signal for companies? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more in-depth corporate analysis. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.